First, let's start with 30 seconds of high knees or alternating knee drives. Let's go! Point of emphasis, moving the opposite arm always with the opposite leg. Now we're starting to move. We have a quick 10-second rest, and at the end of 10 seconds, we're going to go right back into 30 seconds of high knees or alternating knee drives. Now there's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Great work. Next, let's complete up to 10 reps of athlete's sun salutation. Let's go through 3 together. For our first rep, start with your feet shoulder width apart. Let's step down into a low squat position. Keeping our knees bent, let's walk from here, our hands to the ground and into bear crawl position. Next, let's walk into high plank. From here, starting with the right hand, touch that opposite shoulder. With the left hand now, touching the right shoulder. Back to high plank. From here, let's walk back into that bent knee bear crawl position. Next, walking our hands back into that squat position. And from this low squat position, working our way back to standing shoulder width. That is 1 rep. Let's start rep 2. Again, back into low squat. Walking hands into bear crawl position. Out for 2 quick shoulder taps in high plank position. Back to bear crawl. Into low squat. And up to standing. And for the 3rd rep, again, into low squat position. Walking hands into bear crawl. From here, walking into high plank position. Going for a shoulder tap on each side. Then back to bear crawl position, into low squat, and up to standing. Great work. If you need more time to warm up, feel free to go through additional reps. Now let's get to the goodies. This program combines footwork and high-low plank exercises. Before we start, choose one exercise from these 3 categories. First, footwork. Second, dynamic core. And third, static core. Personally, I'm choosing for demonstration the 2 feet linear hop, the bear shuffle, and plank punches. Let's start with our footwork. Draw your imaginary line or use your mat to rep out 30 seconds worth of your footwork. Don't forget that every rep is to be completed in an athletic low position. Maintaining a low body position is more important than your speed. Are you ready? Let's go! Quick, time to transition to your dynamic core shuffle. Remember, 1 shuffle is 2 steps forward and then 2 steps back. Let's work to 20 seconds together. But don't feel pressured to complete 20 on your first go. Our emphasis is on perfect reps, not quantity. Let's go! And for the final stretch, option for low plank punches or low plank climbers. I'm doing punches for this round, working our way to 20 reps, but again, focus on quality over quantity. Here we go, let's get it. Great work, that's the first round, complete. Let's rest for 1 minute before we tackle that a second time. Let's take the first 30 seconds of this rest and dedicate it completely to our breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Begin to regain focus and prepare to burn out the next 20 seconds of footwork intervals. Final 10 seconds. I'm doing the 2 feet linear hop, but feel free to choose any exercise from the footwork categories. Ready? Go! Now, 20 seconds of dynamic core. I'm doing the bear shuffles, but the choice is yours. And for our finisher, 20 seconds of either punches or climbers. Let's go. That's a wrap. Excellent work. Thanks for checking in for the quick lift. Let's start with a full body cool down flow. Slowly start moving from standing to a low squat position. Reach down and grab your toes. Come up for a hamstring stretch, keeping your hands on your toes and extending your legs as far as you can with comfort. Hold here for a second, then move back to this low squat position. From here, release your hands and squat up back to standing. This is 1 rep. Let's go for 5 at our own pace. Don't worry if you don't make it through 5 complete reps. Let's focus on form. Next, we are going deep into this squat position again. From here, alternating hands, we will reach back behind us slow and controlled with 1 arm and then back to the center for 10 reps, 5 on each side. Your gaze will go to match your thumb. When finished, walk your hands and legs into high plank position. From here, we are going to lift the right knee to our right elbow. Cross the right foot underneath your left shoulder and move into a pigeon stretch for 20 seconds, then switch sides. And switch. From here, sit up, bend your knees, and bring them together. Bring your heels to your butt and begin to swing both knees together like a windshield wiper, side to side for 10 reps. Now, lie down on your back. Close your eyes. Your hands can lay wherever is comfortable. Take a deep breath. Acknowledge where you were today when you first showed up. Acknowledge how much you've accomplished up to now. I'd like to thank you first for spending the time to get better today. Your body thanks you too. Until next time.